What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a key fob battery. This is for my 2011 Toyota Avalon, but it's going to work for everything in this generation. You're not going to need much, maybe an extra fork, but just going to need your key fob and a 1632 battery. So I'm going with the Energizer one, and I will leave a link down below for you to pick one up if you need it. So really easy here. You're going to see this says push right over here. You're going to push this, pop the key out. You're going to stick it right in there, like that. And you're going to twist. It's going to pop off the cap right there. This is going to come apart. You're going to take this out gently, just try not to mess anything up there. Okay. And then you see your battery there. So what you can do is just be a little gentle here. Pop this out with the key. Or in this instance, just a little skinnier, just a prong of a fork. Just like that. And then we are going to go ahead and take this battery out. Alright, got it. The battery was a little bit of a pain to get out, but what we're going to do is pop this in here, just like that. All set, not falling out. We're going to set this, just kind of reverse order, just like we did. Put that back. Set the case back on. And let it snap into place, like that. And then just lock the key, and you're all good. You just changed the battery on your Toyota Key Fob.